Hey everybody, it is Supergirl KY here again with another Cricut creation, and today we are making an Easter egg. We will not be using the Cricut today, actually, however, we are going to be painting. So what I did was mixed a little bit of pink with a lot of white, and if you guys at home want to pick green, blue, yellow, any of those really cute pastel-y colors, they're all fine and they will all do. So I started off by painting the bottom. I got this Easter egg on clearance actually at the end of the Easter season last year at Michael's. Highly recommend you do that same process because this is a bulky little egg. So I painted the bottom first so that I could put it down on my little box and then paint the rest without getting my fingers too covered in paint. Oh, the foreshadowing in that one. So you're just going to want to go ahead and paint that all pink, and once that's dry, go ahead and paint on another coat just so none of that white from the egg is coming through. If you like the white coming through on the egg, go ahead and just paint one coat. It is truly up to you. As I was waiting for this last coat of pink to dry, what I did was I cut off the flaps of a cardboard box we had laying around, and what I did is I made a little wall, corner wall, for this little box. It worked out so good. Highly recommend it. If anything, I might have had the walls be a little higher. Anywho, to get this kind of speckled egg look, I got a beige and a very like rusticy lightish brown, and I had some water because you're going to want to kind of almost do watercolors almost with these. You know your egg is ready for that speckled look when you can pick up your egg, because that means it's completely dry. What you're going to want to do is dip it in, get it a little wet, and just take your finger and flick on some paint. And it will give you that speckled look. You can also, if you don't want any of those like spray lines you can see, you can take the tip of the butt end of the brush and you can flip it over, and you can hand do all of the little dots, which is very tedious. I gave that a couple goes, realized right there that is a lot of work, and I went back to my little stippling with the brush. You could actually probably do this as well with a stipple brush. That might actually be the best way to go with that now that I'm looking back at it. But again, dealer's choice. This is simply just an idea for you guys to do. As to how you execute it is 100% up to you. At the end of the day, I think it turned out awesome. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. As always, I will have a link to this design in the description below. It has been a pleasure, and have a super day. Bye guys.